a plane on my crashing a party, meet me in the sky. This is that extraterrestrial vibe. Let me know if you feel it, don't keep it inside. Tell me who do it like this. Up in the air like swish. Shoot my shot, don't miss. Tick tick, we got the people say all the way.
Sir, pag napanood mo to, ang message ko sa iyo, lumaki ka lang ng may takot sa Diyos, may respeto sa magulang, lalo na kala mami, kala mga rapat mama, or daddy.
From the bottom of the ocean, shooting up above. Take you straight to the oasis. This is exactly what you wanted. It ain't number love. Hey, what you thought it was? We got the people.
Sana lumaki nga ang may takot sa Diyos. Mahal na mahal kita.
Can you hear me now? Ain't no time to wait. Yeah, yeah. Can you see me now? Up to the stars. Can you see me now? I've been around the sun. Right now it's just you and me. And we're taking it all the way, all above. Can you see me now? I've been around the sun, coming down. Yeah. Right now.
Sana lumaki kang may pagmamahal at respeto sa magulang.
Tsaka maging good boy si Asher. Paglaki niya.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday, Asher. Sana lumaki ka ng maayos, mas sigit ka pa sa akin. So, mas malakas ka sa akin. Kasi ikaw uli.
Next time you see me in your neighborhood, don't you be thinking that I'm up to no good. I just want you to give me a chance. I know your body really wants to dance, so leave your judgment at the door and get up on it, get up on it, get up on the floor. We're gonna be good tonight. Wanna get you feeling right. We're gonna be good tonight. We're the good, good guys. We're gonna be good tonight. Wanna get you feeling right. We're gonna be good tonight. We're the good, good guys. Whoa! Oh yeah.
Ang message namin kay Asher, sana lumaki siya mabait, malapit sa Panginoon at higit sa lahat, maging makatapos siya ng pag-aaral, masunuring bata lalo-lalo sa kanyang mga magulang.
Maging mabait, huwag magkakasakit, laging sana sumunod sa mga payo ng mga magulang niya. At sa kanino man sa matatanda, sana maging mabait siya.